2 degrees Celsius has widely been reported as the safe global warming limit. However, many scientists argue that this could still mean unbearable destruction for the Caribbean and other small island developing states. Many countries say that 1.5 degrees Celsius is the agreeable pathway. Lead negotiator for loss and damage, James Fletcher, agrees.
When we fight for 1.5 degrees Celsius, we're not fighting for a number. We're not fighting for numbers or degrees. We're fighting for lives. We're fighting for livelihoods, because the science has shown very clearly that you will have ecosystem collapse. Very fragile ecosystems will collapse at anything above 1.5 degrees Celsius. That you will have sea level rise that will cause immense damage to many of our coastlines and to many of our countries. You will have levels of ocean acidification that will impact our fishery, impact our tourism product. You will have quite significant impacts across the board, health-wise, agriculture-wise. So 1.5 degrees Celsius is not about fighting for a number, it's about fighting for the protection of the lives and livelihoods of people.
Thatcher's position that the safest temperature level should be 1.5 degrees Celsius has been echoed by the Director General Secretariat on Pacific Regional Environment Program Region, David Shepard, who is adamant that there is a distinct difference between the degree levels.
There is a major difference in impact between 1.5 and 2 degrees. For example, coral reefs will suffer major stress at 1.5. At 2 degrees, there's a high likelihood of them dying completely. So in Pacific Caribbean, we depend on the resources of the ocean, coral reefs, for our survival. The science tells us that from between 1.5 and 2 degrees, there is a major difference in terms of intensity and frequency of extreme weather events.
Reporting in Le Bourget, Paris, France, at the United Nations Climate Change Conference, COP21, Conference of Parties, I am Sarah Peter.